The great thing about Peak is I really felt like no one was out of place there. New customer, old customer, light user, heavy user. There was something for everyone there.
We were new subscribers to the Elevate product, and so we felt like it was really important that we attend, and we decided to bring an entire team because it touched all areas of our organization.
Even if you're not using the CommPartners platform, you can still learn a lot. There's a lot there for just online learning, but definitely go if you're using the CommPartners platform. It's a great way to ask questions, meet your peers, and learn a lot about the platform that you're using, plus just about learning in general.
I'm a social person, so Peak for me was all about connecting with other users and hearing their story and hearing from CommPartners about what's new in the CommPartners world that the cooks are excited about. That excitement rubs off on the client base and helps us think about our businesses in new ways.
It was a great opportunity to meet with others who may be experiencing the same thing that you are, may be experiencing some stunting of growth and those kinds of roadblocks that can only really be taken down if you're talking with someone who's experiencing the same thing. We had about 5 people present, and all of us attended various breakout sessions. None of us attended the same ones. So we were able to come back together and share what we learned, especially once we returned from the conference.
So I'm really excited about this year's conference, having it at Nationals Park and the Nationals just having one. It's a great opportunity to get my name associated with the Nationals, maybe some social media posts. Be good to go and be with the team, maybe see a trophy or something or see some memorabilia.
I highly recommend Peak 2020. Our experience in 2018 as a new user was invaluable. I only can predict that the 2020 event will be even bigger and better.